Now here comes a cessna directly back over my head from Oliveira Castilla intersection area, angle, coming right up on my head. He's waving. Looks like now he's doing a tail pump and a tail wave. A tail pump, wave. Yeah, he's doing all the different ones. Magnetic pole on my roof. Now a little left tilt, little left tilt. Now a little right pulse, left pulse, right pulse. And wiggle, as, waving as he's doing the little bumps left and right, bump right, bump left, waving the tail. Now a tail pump, now a pulse, pulse, and slightly left. Little right, little left, little right, left, right. So they all do that. Ridiculous.